My name's Kevin. Just wanted to show you guys we're still open. We're still taking orders. We're still shipping orders.
AAA State of Play is working through the COVID-19 challenge. Really working, but with some changes. Life, work, and play have changed for all of us as we adapt to current health and business realities. But our mission is still the same: the health, happiness, and active play for all. In this video, we're sharing options to traditional play. They're as close as stepping out your front door. Stay at home rarely ever meant stay inside. Bike and hike, run and sun, row your boat, drop a line, grow a garden, stick that perfect landing. Play games with people in the same household, but don't share your sports equipment with strangers, not just yet. Depending on local rules and your own good judgment, keep that face mask on hand, or better yet, over your mouth and nose. Social distancing, sanitizers, what can I say? Smarter for you, for the next guy, for grandma. Please be considerate. Before you head out on any great adventures, you may want to pack drinks and snacks. Not everything is open or easy to access. And oh yeah, consider bathroom breaks. Again, not everything is open, or maybe not all that clean. As for us, AAA State of Play staffers are handling all inquiries and orders. Most of us are working from home. Our design team is fully staffed and working on that next great playground. Our installers are building now for the day parks and playgrounds fully reopen. You should know that playground planning and building can take up to 9 months from idea to playtime, so no time like the present. We want you to be ready, as we're ready right now. Our warehouse and shipping guys are hustling. Equipment coming in and going out. We are taking extra precautions, even temperature checks.
We are just taking the precautions that we need to keep our workers and your merchandise safe. So keep on ordering playgrounds from us.
At AAA State of Play, we are ready, planning, and working for the day when we all have peace of mind about our health, safety, and play.